How to add a vignette in Affinity. Let's get into it. Start by opening up your photo, click onto the layer of your photo, then come down to this filters button at the bottom. Next, scroll through the filters and you will see Vignette towards the bottom. Click into this. This is going to open this live vignette window, and here you can customize the vignette that you want. To begin with, we have exposure. If we bring this slider all the way down, it shows the vignette start to take place. The lower this is, the more intense it will be. You can of course go the other way if you want a lighter vignette, but the typical preference is the darker vignette. So I'm just going to leave mine to around about there. You may want a different result. The next setting is hardness. So if I bring this all the way down, we can see that it makes our vignette super soft around the edges. It gives it a huge feather. If we bring it all the way up to the top, we can see that we have these hard edges on our vignette there. Again, this is completely customizable to how you want it for your project. Please change this to suit your own needs. Next is the scale. If we bring this all the way down, we have a very large vignette. If we bring this all the way up to the top, we have a small vignette and it's less noticeable. Again, customize this to suit your own projects. And then shape, here you can change the shape of your vignette as well. As we can see there, that's become very, very narrow. And if I bring this back up, it is more wide. You can also change the opacity here in the bottom left. So if you want it to be more subtle and not as intense, you can bring this all the way down, or you can have it as intense as you want to. You can also play around with blend modes if you're going for a specific look. You may want to experiment with that to get the kind of look that you're going for. Once you're happy with this, you can then click out of this window and then you will notice you have a vignette over your image on the layer, and that's all there is to it.